Do you need to type accent marks or other special characters? How do you find them on your Mac or iPad keyboard? You'll find out in 20 seconds. Many special characters are accessed via the Option key. However, they are not referenced on the keyboard. To locate the position of special characters, you need the keyboard viewer. Open System Preferences and select Keyboard. Click on Input Sources and check the box that says Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. The input menu icon will appear in the menu bar. Use the input menu to choose Show Keyboard Viewer. The keyboard viewer will open showing the keyboard layout that was chosen when the computer was first set up. Press and hold Option. The special characters are revealed with 5 keys highlighted. Now hold down Shift and Option. Uppercase versions of the characters as well as new characters are shown. To type a copyright symbol, press Option G. You may be thinking, why not Option C? It's for the same reason that you don't use Command P to paste. The C key is used by a different character. It will be useful to memorize the characters you use most often or refer to the keyboard viewer. Here's how to use the highlighted keys: Grav, Accent, Umlaut, Circumflex, and Tilde. Let's take a word like resume, which uses accent marks on each letter E. To use the Option shortcut, we are going to create the accent mark first and then type the letter. Let's highlight the existing E first. Next, we press Option E and then just the E key itself. We'll do the same thing with the second E. The Grav, Circumflex, Umlaut, and Tilde work exactly the same way. If you own an iPad with either a Magic Keyboard or Smart Keyboard, you can use the same Option shortcut. If you don't have a separate keyboard, use a long press on a letter to access the special characters. The long press technique also works with the iPhone. By this point, you should be more familiar with special characters and how to type them. Thanks for watching. Join us again for Minute Tech.